All right, guys, we're headed to the taxidermist. Check it out. Oh my God, Janet. We hadn't been here 5 minutes. 5 minutes. He's dead. Good shot. Oh my gosh. Way to go. Holy crap. You smoked him. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Holy crap.
Oh my God.
He ain't moving. You smoked him.
Let's go get him.
Well, let's give him a minute. Okay. Let's give him a minute. Gosh dang. Are you kidding me? What kind of luck is that, Shanika?
We don't have that.
We don't.
We don't have that. Are you serious? That just happened.
That just happened.
That just happened. Oh my gosh. I done lost my gloves. Oh my gosh. Oh, fucking shit.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. Walk up on him.
I don't know that I can. I can see him. He's going like that.
Like what?
Nice.
He's moving?
No, he's nice.
Oh yeah, he's a nice buck. Make sure he's dead. I mean, it looks like you. I mean, after you smoked him, he's toast.
Right? I mean, do I just poke him?
I mean, he ain't breathing.
If he gets up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's the 8. That's him. That's the one I passed bow hunting the other night.
Thank you, honey.
That's him. For sure. No doubt. He's going on the wall. Her second buck with the shotgun. Nice 8-pointer. This one definitely going on the wall. It happened so quick, I didn't have time to get it on video. We literally sat down in the blind, set up the blind before my Wednesday hunt. When I went bow hunting Wednesday, set this blind up in a spot, and I went and hunted a different spot for my Wednesday bow hunt. We took our son to school this morning. We got in this blind literally at 8:14. I just sat down. I didn't have time to get my camera out. It happened so quick. She started tapping me on the leg because she seen this buck 40 yards. He was broadside. She pulled the shotgun up. Opening day of shotgun season here in Southern Illinois. He turned, was facing her, told her to shoot right in the chest. She shot. He reared back and dropped. It was awesome. Stuff like that just doesn't happen to us. Last year, she only got to go one day, didn't see any deer. The year before that, she shot a little 6-pointer. I'll show you the picture of him. European mount. And now she's got her 8-pointer to go on the wall. Headed to the taxidermist right now. Couldn't be more happy for her. Shot it at 8:17. We were literally in the blind from the time I pulled the windows down, sat down. It was about 5 minutes. 3 minutes from the time I sat down. 8:14 to 8:17. Just unbelievable. This stuff just doesn't happen to us. But it did for her today. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Leave a like. Leave her a comment. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day.